What if mealtime could be the highlight of your child's day? The Disney 4-piece feeding set makes that possible by combining beloved characters with smart design. Featuring your child's favorite Disney, Pixar Cars theme, this set adds a splash of fun that keeps kids excited to eat and explore their food. I've seen firsthand how a simple change like this feeding set can brighten family meals. When my grandson, who's 23 months old, spotted the Cars-themed plates and bowl, his eyes lit up instantly. He shouted, "Cars!" with pure joy and couldn't wait to dig in. The deep-sided bowl makes scooping easier for little hands still mastering the art of self-feeding. Meanwhile, the sectioned plate keeps different foods separate, making it perfect for picky eaters or those trying new flavors. Parents will appreciate that every piece is dishwasher safe, and the plate and bowl are microwave safe, saving time on cleanup and reheating. The flatware features stainless steel heads with sturdy plastic handles designed for a comfortable grip. Best of all, the entire set is BPA-free, ensuring safety without compromising durability. It's lightweight and break-resistant, built to withstand the everyday adventures of toddler mealtimes. If you're looking for a gift that's both practical and delightful, this feeding set checks all the boxes. It's not just about the characters, it's about making mealtime easier and more enjoyable for kids and parents alike. Worth a look if you want to bring a little magic and convenience to your table. Try the Disney 4-piece feeding set when you're ready to upgrade your child's mealtime experience. With its thoughtful design and familiar faces, it's a small change that makes a big difference in how your little one eats and enjoys their food.